Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say اليمن. The Arabic name of Yemen is a country located in the southern part of the Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. Its capital is Sana'a, with Aden serving as an important economic center. The official language is Arabic, and the currency is the Yemeni riyal. Yemen is known for its rich history, ancient cities like Shibam Hadramaut and Old Sana'a, mountainous terrain, and coasts on the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. اليمن. اليمن. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.